Right, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm back to a brand new video, and this time on Magic Roundabout I have this Oxford Diecast Mercedes ice cream van. So, as you watch it go around, just like to say hello to your friends of the channel, welcome back. Any recently joined friends, welcome aboard. Very much appreciate you joining. Hope you like these videos. So this is the next one I'm going to do as a request from a subscriber who's asked me to do this one, and it's also one of my donations from 12 months ago from Mr. Fraser Martin, who sent me about three or four of these ice cream vans. I've done one already, so it's not what I'm going to do now. So without further ado, let's get off of Magic and on the bench and have a good look at it. See you there. Right, okay, here we are then. So we've got I think it's Oxford, just says Oxford, so I presume it's Oxford Diecasts Mercedes Benz Sprinter. Yeah, so old ice cream van I'm going to do. Yeah, excuse me the noise in the background. I've got a crap old next latest video going on me Kindle. Got latest purchase and donations video. Anyway, so right, it's got a screw base fitting on the front there, much better get into. Let's have a go. Right. Things come out alright. Just about. Don't want to lose that screw, gonna need that later on. Right. Let's get a little pot to put the bits in so don't lose them. Right, so now it should just lift up from the back there. I think that little tab here where the plate is, just pull that out. I think, or from the front even. I think so. Oh, there we go. Yeah, from the back, that's right, yeah. It's just put out where the number plate is. Right, it should come out in. Should do in theory. There's no screw holding it now, so that should come out. Oh, there you go. Bit tight, but it does come out eventually. Okay. Right, interior just comes out. We need to chop some bits off that. Some bits we won't need, like these panels. We won't need none of those, so cut that about later on. Glass. Should come out easy enough. I'm not trying to break it. Yeah, I think it's got a little rivets in the corners here. Actually, I think no way around it. Yeah, I might be able to push that out, or even lift it. Probably get broken, but yeah. Yeah, I might have to drill those slightly just to get it out. small jaw bit here. Oh shit, broken the glass, damn. I hold the glass, damn it. That's for side panels anyway, well. Right, that's for side clock panels coming out. That's that. Now front one, so it's not broken. Now the back one. That's it, just pops out. There you go. Bits of the box there. A little bit of the top there, just pop out. Only plastic. Right, now the front for lights. Should just pop out. Back lights should do enough actually. Remember rightly. Right, it's a bit thinner than that. See, it's both lights out. that if I can. And then this little Morris fan. Right. Be a bit filly, this is. Bits that want to come out. I don't really want to bait these, to be honest. Bit of a pig this is. Right, I'm strong with this off camera, to save a bit of time. So hopefully it'll be done when I come back, ready for the next stage. Right, okay, so we got there in the end. Managed to get the grill out. Bit fiddly, took the front end off as well. Well, hold the bump on. Unfortunately the front bumper cracked while I was moving it. Got the lights out there. Right, so next stage for this is your caustic soda bath. Right, so I'm going to do that next. So see you after that. Right, so while Carson's in the caustic soda bath, I'm going to pay attention to this, the interior. See what needs to come out, what we don't need. So, don't need these panels here. So those just unclip or break off like that. That's it. Shouldn't need the back, no. Don't need a side panel. Right, don't need passenger seat, so just I think they just pop out. No. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, should just lift out. That one. Ah, oops. There you go, simple as that. There you go. I won't need that off interior either. That's about it, all we need. And won't need that either. There you go, that's it, that's all you need. Sorted, done. Right, so that's ready to go back in later on. Right, next please is get the casting back out of caustic soda and go on from there. Right, it's been through 2 lots of caustic soda baths, and as you can see, the paint has been quite stubborn in a lot of areas. So, the only way to take all this is with a wire brush to get it all off. Right, you've seen me do this once or twice already, so you don't need to see me do this again. So, I'm going to crack on with this. The next time you see this, it'll be ready for paint. Okay, right, here we go. Right, all ready for paint now. Got it all polished, all the paint off and polished up. I've gone ahead and put the H frame in, you can see that. It's all painted. Thin plate on the roof's done. Yeah, you've seen me paint cars before, so you've got a general idea what I do with these. How I apply the paint and how much and all that. Yeah, just give you a quick turn on the old turntable. Yeah, so I'm going to do this off camera just once. And let it dry overnight, and then it'll be ready for rebuild tomorrow. Okie dokie, you're right. Right, going to rebuild this ice cream van now. So to put the base on, put a screw in, job done. Right, so rightly, my number plate slots into the back like that. Right, make sure it's screwed in place. Yeah, it's going. Feels like it is. And there you go, that's it. Sorted. Right, I'm just going to tidy up the paintwork here and there. And then I'll do all the writing on it. Yeah, so that was quick assembly there. Right. So this side is be finished and back at the budget roundabout. Let's see you there. Right, okay, here we are then. So, the Oxford Diecast Mercedes Benz ice cream van is now finished. All put back together, side writing's done all round. Yeah, so there you go. Again, this is one of my subscribers who asked me to do this team on a van. So there you go. So I hope you like it. Please feel free to comment on it. I will reply when I do get any comments, as usual. So yeah, there you go. This is it. Oh dear, right. Yeah. So until the next video. Be good, stay safe, enjoy yourselves, what you're doing. Bye for now. Bye bye.